Where are you guys from?
Argentina.
All of you?
Yeah.
Argentina it is. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Have a great day, guys.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for not being shy on the camera. Hello.
Hello. Sorry.
Right now I'm at the Howth cliff with my friend Kaushik. Kaushik, come da.
Wait, don't interrupt.
Alright guys, so right now I'm at the Howth cliff. Okay, no more retakes. I live in city center and it costed me 2.5 euros to reach the Howth cliff by bus. It took us around like 20 minutes to half an hour to reach. 40 minutes to reach by bus to the Howth cliff. From here it's going to be like a walk that we're going to do. We're on the tip of Howth. We can also walk down if you want, and it is advisable you carry a good jacket, a good raincoat like a hoodie. Also, I miss you guys a lot after one long year. Stay tuned and welcome back to my channel. Mwah. Once you climb up that road, sorry for the bad focus, you come to a place where you're
Follow the blue.
a small car park. You can park your cars here, go for a small walk down that road. Look at those clouds, look at that water, look at this muddy road, cliff walk. Oh my god, Kaushik. That road, and there's one road here and there's one amidst the green lawn. So whichever way you try to travel, you're going to reach almost the same spot. Look at the lighting. It's warm, it's nice. I like the Canon colors personally more than the Sony, because Sony makes it look more cooler, and I prefer the warm tones. Oh, got my phone 10. I'm going to take some really good shots from here, and I'm going to post on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at @IamViggy. I'm going to show you some really cool shots after editing on Lightroom. And if you want a video on how to edit photos on Lightroom, drop in the comments. I'm going to make a video soon next week. Man, I really wish I had a drone. I miss a drone. Someone could give me a drone. So guys, how do you feel about Howth? Have you guys been here for the first time, or how is it?
Well, it's the second time we've been here.
Okay.
But it's a beautiful scene. I mean, it's amazing. It's so quiet, peaceful.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Argentina.
All of you?
Yeah.
Argentina it is.
So you're doing a vlog here? Like
Yeah. I'm in Dublin right now. I'm studying right now, so
here?
yeah, in here, yeah,
yeah.
Dublin.
How is it?
Yeah, it's THET
H
space NOMADIC NOMADIC.
NMO.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Have a great day, guys.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thanks for not being shy on the camera. Cheers. Okay, so we've almost reached Howth. We are like nearing the lighthouse, but beyond this point there's not much to walk. There's going to be a little more and worse dirty road, like dirty pathways to walk. So wear good grip shoes. I almost fell down and I was about to slip off this. Oh, whoa. This is what happens when you vlog on a slippery place. As I told you guys, please wear some really good shoes when you come to Howth. I saved myself. Taking photograph?
Yeah.
Which camera is that?
Fuji.
Fuji?
Yeah.
Right, is that a time lapse?
Long exposure.
Lovely. That's great.
It's perfect.
Ooh, wow. Look at that image.
Yeah.
See ya, man. Take care. Bye-bye. Alright, so me and Kaushik, we have finished the cliff walk. We are now having a coffee. It's pretty cold, but I took the gamble of removing my jacket. The worst part is that I bought these white shoes yesterday. They were spick and span like this, and now they're matching my my trousers. So I got to go home and wash them. Telling you guys, warn you again, never wear white shoes. Don't wear white shoes for a Howth cliff walk because it's going to be very dirty and sludgy and muddy. And also wear some grippy shoes. Woodlands, most preferable. Not sponsored by Woodland, not sponsored.